You have indicators for a reason. Use them. Oh, well, I can't go. You. Oh, Jesus Christ. Good. Oh, why is it always so dark in here? Like freaking heck. Why is it? So I just tried to film a food challenge video and it didn't work. I've been in Tesco's for about 30 minutes and so far all I've got is an aubergine, so I think it's safe to say this challenge is not going very well for me. And I drove 30 minutes to do so I'm a little bit pissed off, but I'm trying to be positive. So I thought I would do a little cheeky drive with me. I don't really know what I'm gonna talk about. This is just a terrible, terrible, terrible day for me. I'm really going through it. I'm kind of left with no other options. It's a Sunday, so Tesco's is shutting in an hour. And I'm not going back in there. I'm not doing that to myself. I thought we could have a nice, chill little chat. Probably should not be driving right now. You know, they say don't drive when you're angry. If you actually know the lyrics to those songs, you spend too much time in moo-moos. Ooh, we're good to go and we're on the road. Ooh, hello A3, that's a very nice car. Was that my brakes? Man staring at me. Am I gonna clip the curb? No. I should probably top up with petrol, but topping up with petrol is a chore to me. It's honestly my least favorite thing to do in the world. It's just so inconvenient. I would hire a personal assistant purely to top up my petrol for me. That is the worst sentence that's ever come out of my mouth. So if anyone was wondering what I was going to film today, I was going to be filming a food challenge where I eat only black food for 24 hours. I've been planning it for a while and then I saw Anastasia had uploaded hers and it just gave me a kick up of the bum to do it today, which is pretty unfortunate seeing as Tesco's literally stock no black food. You have indicators for a reason. Use them. Oh, well, I can't go. You. Oh, Jesus Christ. Just hate people. I hate people. Do you know what, lads? I think it might be a call for cheese bites. I think it just do be like that today. Oh, dear God. Men who let them on the roads. And you Lexus. Who do you think you are? The only time I ever come to McDonald's is when I'm filming YouTube videos because I live so far away from one. And hi, I am vegetarian.
Hi, can I take your order, please?
Hi, can I get some cheese bites and a medium diet Sprite, please?
Is that everything?
Yeah, that's everything, thank you.
Link me around first window.
Fab, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh my God, I just realised the lady's gonna think I'm so weird because oh no. Gotta pay, haven't I? And there's a woman there. She's gonna think I'm really weird. Oh well, get over it, flossie.clegg, this is your career now. What would Anastasia do? She'd go round another 100 times.
That'll be £2.68, please.
Thank you. It wasn't a lady, it was a man. Honestly, the only songs I sing or listen to now are TikTok songs. That is when you know it's becoming a problem. If you guys didn't know, I've recently started.
Rule number 1, if it's about me, at me so I can see it. Rule number 2, if you heard shit that ain't come from me, then don't believe
TikTok. Thank you. Cheers. Oh my God, thank the Lord. You believe God is McDonald's. Yeah, I said it. I said it. What is going on in pop culture at the moment? Or YouTube culture, should I say? Ace family allegations. We're going in deep. We're going in serious. If you didn't know, Austin McBroom from the Ace family, the father of the 2 most beautiful children in the world. Yeah, I said it. And I meant it, has been accused of a crime that I'm not going to say because the bottom line is innocent until proven guilty, and everyone on the internet kind of needs to get their noses out of it. It is between the 2 girls who it happened with and Austin and his father and anyone else involved. I personally feel really sorry for Catherine and his daughters, which is why I am not really going to speak openly about it, speak about my opinions, what I think happened, who I think is lying. Whether Austin is guilty or not, those two little girls have got to grow up with this and find out about this one day and hear that their dad either did something or was accused of something horrendous. Therefore, I would encourage anyone who is interested in it to kind of take themselves out of it a bit until the whole court thing is done and dusted. What else is going on? Shane Dawson Jeffree Star palette. Girl, you already know I'm gonna be all over it. I've been loving Shane's series. These cheese bites are gonna be going cold. Obviously a cheese bite connoisseur over here. Being vegetarian, like the only thing I can eat from fast food places that doesn't taste like is cheese bites. And McDonald's quite frequently change up their cheese bites. These are the cheese and herb ones, and they're not the best. They kind of taste like stuffed crust. They're okay, but nothing to report home about. My favorite cheese bites, if anyone cares, are the Burger King cheese bites, because they've got like, my favorite cheese bites are the Burger King cheese bites because they got like jalapenos in them. So good. ASMR. Ew. Back to the Jeffree Star Shane Dawson palette. I am so excited for that palette. I'm definitely gonna try and order it. To be honest, I feel like I'm ordering it simply as like a collector's piece, like a collector's item. I love Jeffree, I love Shane. I would love to support them in any way possible. Is he blasting Carly Rae Jepsen, or are my ears deceiving me? Oh my gosh, this lighting is really not the one. How is this my job? Like, how do I get paid to do this? I'm literally licking the cheese bite crumbs off my fingers and drinking Sprite Zero in my car. Drop out of college, kids, it's fun. If you prefer mozzarella dippers over the like round cheese bites, something wrong in your mama's boob milk. Who's excited for Halloween as well? I'm literally so unbelievably, oh, I forgot there's sauce in here. Silly little girl. I'm actually so excited for Halloween, but even more so, dare I say it, Christmas. Sorry, what was that? Christmas. Sorry, what? Christmas! I've been listening to Christmas songs since September. Am I ashamed?
No.
Some of us are trying to not get copyrighted over here, Janice. This tomato sauce literally tastes like pasta sauce. But she's cute. I think I'm gonna end this video here. Stop it, please. I have no words apart from I'm sorry. This is a bit of a messy video, but nonetheless, I hope maybe you got some entertainment from it, even if it was only for a minute, a second. I'm trying. Let me know what videos you would like to see in the comment section down below. Make sure you do give this video a thumbs up for my sanity. I have all my social medias listed in the description box down below if you'd like to go and follow me over there. I'm most active on my Instagram. If you did enjoy this video and you would like to see more from me, then make sure you subscribe and click the little bell notification to make sure my videos come up in your subscription boxes. I love you all so much, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!